Hey y'all, happy Taco Tuesday. So I want a taco, but I don't want a regular taco. I want something that's sweet, I want something that's savory, and I want something that's filling, but also light. So, let's make some sweet potato tacos. Come on. So the first thing you want to do is take your sweet potato and peel all of the skin off. Then dice them like you see them here. Wash them and drain them. Then place them into a pan. And you're just going to pour all of those sweet potatoes in there and give it a nice toss with some seasonings. That's Tony Chachere's, a little chili powder, and a little paprika. And next you're going to put just a few dashes of cayenne. A little goes a long way. Some Himalayan pink salt, a little bit of cumin, and you're just going to toss that all around. Just get all that seasoning well acclimated in there. Then you're going to also put a little bit of country crock plant-based butter in there, because you know butter makes everything better. So I put a few of dollops in there. Then you're going to place that into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to work on my tortilla shells, which I forgot to film me frying for y'all. But here is the result of what they look like. And here is my sweet potato tacos topped with the black beans and rice. And if you guys want to try this recipe, it is in my book, The Exquisite Plant-Based Guide. Get it on Amazon.